Right, so it worked again, but it's not starting the flight. I really don't know how to... Oh. Alright, so there's some extra buttons here that I didn't know. This is for shooting video. This is for taking a picture. And maybe this is to start the plane. We'll see. I mean, the helicopter, not the plane. Let's lift this up just a little bit more like this. And see if maybe you just turn this on. Ah. Alright, so looks like this is how you turn it on. You press this button and it automatically turns on and off. It's not that easy to fly indoors, so I may take it outside to fly around, but it does a pretty good job now that I figured out how it works. Thanks for watching.